In the world of mirrorless and interchangeable lenses, we've collectively forgotten something. We've forgotten the joy of the all-in-one. 9 years ago, the Sony RX10 IV set a bar so high that most cameras today still struggle to clear it. But for nearly a decade, the silence from Sony has been deafening. Until now, the rumors are no longer whisperings. The RX10 IV is coming. And it isn't trying to change the game, it's trying to perfect it. Why are we still talking about a 2017 camera? Because of this lens. That 24 to 600 millimeter Zeiss glass is an optical miracle. It's the reason wildlife and aviation photographers still keep an RX10 in their bag. Sony realizes that if it isn't broken, don't fix it. The Mark V isn't a total redesign, it's a restoration. They are keeping the heart, but they are upgrading the brain. If you're waiting for a sensor revolution, you might be looking in the wrong place. We are likely looking at a refined 20.1 megapixel stack sensor. But here is why that's okay. It's not about the pixels anymore. It's about the processing. The AI leap. With a BIONZ XR and a dedicated AI chip, we aren't just getting faster we're getting smarter AF. Real-time recognition for birds, planes, and fast-moving wildlife. This is the difference between missing the shot and getting it. The video fix, 4K 60 frames per second, maybe even 120 frames per second. It's the missing piece of the puzzle for creators who want high-end slow motion without carrying a secondary cinema rig. The workflow, USB-C. Finally, it's a boring upgrade, but for a pro in the field, it's a game-changer for speed and power. Pricing is going to hover right around that $1,900 mark. That's a bold ask in 2026. But look at the market. To get 600 millimeters reach with decent low-light performance on an alpha body, you'd be spending 3 times that amount and hauling a heavy backpack. The RX10 V is positioning itself as the ultimate travel light, shoot-heavy machine. Sony is betting that there is still a massive audience that wants pro-level capability without the pro-level gear bag. I think they're right. I want to hear from you. Does the modernized classic approach work? Or were you hoping for a total overhaul? Let's talk in the comments. And if you're tracking this launch as closely as I am, make sure to hit that sub button. We're covering the announcement live the second it breaks. Thanks for watching.